Hey, what's going on, everybody? What's happening? S&P 500 getting it's getting destroyed again, man. Wow. Anyway, we're live. For those of you that are brand new to the channel, what's happening? My name is Jeff, and I've been trading for 18 years. 18 years. Now, primarily option trading. That's my specialty, right? Squeeze, flags, breakouts. And we do option trading on this channel and in the school. But we've been day trading the S&P 500 for the last 5 years. So this year, I got introduced to prop firm trading, Apex. I'm brand new to that, but that's what we're trading. We're trading some evaluations, $50,000, Apex. All right? Welcome aboard. Let me let people who are in the coaching and the school and sit back, relax. And if you want to join us in the school, we look at crypto, we do stock investing, we do trading, all that stuff. Check down below in the description. All right. Let's get everything. Man, what's going on with this damn market, bro? Shit. Market sucks, man. The market is absolutely a fucking joke. What's up, Mitch? What's up, Mitch? How you doing, brother? All right, my man. Oh, my goodness. You know, I take a look at these news items, but at this point, it don't even really matter, right? I mean, with the market just looking as sick as it's been looking, doesn't even matter. What's up, John? My man, what's happening?
Morning, Jeff.
Hey, brother, how you doing, buddy?
I'm doing well. Looks
Good.
like another interesting start.
Yes. I was saying that same thing, bro. Yeah. You know what, Mitch? I was like that too. I honestly did not watch the news for about 6 years. I quit watching it. I started watching it again in the election. I was like, well, you know, let me start watching. And now I've been watching it, but prior to that, I hadn't watched it in a long time. What's up, Jeff? Hey, good to see you back, brother.
Hey, guys. Good.
Wow. Internet went out there for a minute. I don't even know if I'm still live.
There it is. Yeah, I was going to say, WTF, over.
Dude, that sucks because my internet went out. Hang on, let me reconnect everything because last thing I want to do is... That was weird. Let me make sure everything's like connected. That was weird. Wow. I don't know, man. It's like a sunny day.
Market took it down.
Yeah, exactly right. I mean, market took my internet right out. But now I'm worried because, you know, I'm using Sierra charts, and if it's not connected, I might be looking at one thing thinking I'm executing an order. It may be something completely different. Oh, shit, dude. Right now, it came back. I don't know, man. It's a sunny day outside. It actually, this is one of the better days. It's nice. It's not hot. I don't know, my friends. But as far as the market, yeah, I think I just give up. Anyway, we got 30 seconds. Let's have a great week. I hope my internet doesn't do what it just did. Last thing in the world I'd hate to do is get in a fucking trade and have this internet go out on my ass. But, oh well. We'll see what we got, my friends. We'll see what we got. Good morning. Mitch. Charles. Dion. All right. We're back, though. Here we go. All right, y'all. Have a good trading session. And let's see where we get taken today. Just making sure all my stuff's connected. 170. Yeah, looks like it's about the same. All right. Market is down 172. Oh my God. This could be the third day in a row of absolute destruction. Wow. This is, I haven't seen it do this in a very long time, to be honest with you. It's crazy. It's fucking crazy, dude. Ticks are down 1,400. Wow. All right. Let me zoom in a little bit. Get a better handle of what's going on. Man, I don't get it. I understand these tariffs, but let's get real, man. These people are overreacting like a mother, dude. They are overreacting like absolute freaks. From a stock investing standpoint, it's actually a beautiful time. If you got money, like in your IRA, you're looking to put it to work, shit, this is the best time. Not trading, investing. A lot of stuff are in discounts, man. I just got all my money tied up in crypto, so I can't really do shit. All right, one more minute in this candle. Yeah, I'm going back to my old way here in the morning. Afternoon, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm still experimenting, and what I think I'm going to try, I mean, it's difficult, is I'm actually going to trade in the afternoon the same way I trade my options. I'm going to use the Market Forecast Pro. I'm going to look at a bias. I'm going to be trading the intermediate confirmation signals. I'm going to try that this week. Exactly the same way I trade my flags. Exactly the same. I'm going to try that. We'll see. I'm still trying to get a handle on that afternoon. That seems to be my demon. The morning, at least I feel good about it. In the afternoon, it's just destroying me, dude. 43.50. It's probably because, I mean, the volatility is just so bad, dude. It's very hard. It's very jumpy. All right, ticks are down a lot. All right. I'll be looking to go short. Okay. I will be looking to go short if I get a signal. Remember, I've changed it up. I'm only going for 6 points. 6 points is all I'm going for. Friday morning, we did good in the morning. Well, we did fine. I mean, it wasn't a lot, but at least we won. I can't say the afternoon was very pleasant. That's why I'm going to switch it up, man. I'm going to try to trade in the afternoon. I'm going to be honest with you, exactly like I do my options, man. I was even thinking about trading the squeeze, like the way that I talk about with the bias and all that. You know, that's the way I'm going to try the afternoon this week. What do we got to lose, right? Afternoon's been bad. Market is down 181. Utter annihilation. I will be looking to go short, though. If I get a signal. This is tricky, too. That's 3 minute. I'm doing 3 contracts, too. 3 minis. Yep, I'll get. At this point, why not? Why not? I blew up those 3 accounts the other day in 5 minutes. I talked about that on Friday, what I did, like an idiot. I was so close, and I blew them all up. 5 minutes. What's up, Brandon? was great. It was absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, I'm being sarcastic for those who knows me. That wasted no time. All right. I'm just going to draw a line here for my own reference. Let's see what happens here. I'm watching this clock. We still got another 40 seconds left in this candle. Ticks are down 1,000. Market's getting absolutely taken to the woodshed. VIX is popping up. Let's see what happens here. I mean, I'm going to be looking to go short if I get my signal. Remember, I'm going back to my, this is setup number 1 to the downside. I'm very picky. With 3 contracts, I don't need to do much, you. All right, I'm going to pass. I'm going to wait. Did not get my signal, man. Very picky. All right, this could go back up. Watch out for the trap. Watch out for the fake out. The VIX is popping. But I am absolutely in no hurry. With the amount of contracts that I'm doing, I literally need 1 trade that wins a day. Turn row ass kicking. Exactly. That's right. You're in West Texas, right? I'm in South Texas. Yo. Man. Good old West Texas. Where was I at? Midland. A long time ago, I was in Odessa. I was at Midland. A long-ass drive. I drove, too, from here. That was a nightmare. I was in college, too. I was like, I'm going to drive. Fuck, I didn't never been. I got to San Antonio. I was like, yeah, I'm almost there. And then I saw that sign that said El Paso, 500 something miles. I was like, what? What? I'll never forget that shit, dude. I was in college. I was going to see my girlfriend, man. I was like, yeah, fuck that, dude. That was oh, God, that was awful. All right, so I did not get my signal. So I am interested if we can come back up and pop through. Other than that, the ride to the downside is not happening for me. Okay, I'm looking for momentum. I need 6 points of pop, preferably within a minute or two, and get out. 1 trade is all you need. Again, I'm doing 3 contracts. It ain't going to take many trades. I've just got to be very smart, very strategic. And one of the things that I feel good about is in the morning, I follow my rules like perfect. Y'all know I've been doing this a long time in the morning here, and I'm very picky, but I don't mess around. I'm very disciplined. The afternoon has been the nightmare because I didn't trade in the afternoon before. And again, I don't mind if trades go without me. I'm not going to chase. I'm just going to wait for that 1 setup is all I need. Ticks are down 1,000. Market's getting destroyed. The S&P is down over 200. Are you kidding me? Dow Jones is down 1,500. Absolute joke. Absolute joke. This market is disgusting. I don't understand these retards out there overreacting. I mean, crypto on Friday, I didn't look today. I don't care. But on Friday, it held up decently. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. 80% of everything I own is in the crypto market. 80%. Everything. I cashed out so much stuff many years ago and put it all. I was buying like Oh, shit. I mean, honestly, I won't. Everything's getting fucking destroyed, dude. Yeah, I'm not going to look at it. I don't plan on looking at my crypto portfolio or my stock portfolio for like 6 months. Maybe not even the rest of this whole fucking year. To be honest with you, I might not even really look at it. I mean, I'll do it if I shoot a video, but the price, but I'm not going to look at my portfolio for probably 6 months. That's the best way to handle it. Don't look at it. I mean, I'll trade naked puts, all that stuff, but as far as my actual crypto portfolio, no way. I will dare not to look at. I thought everything was going to happen this year, and it would have probably happened. It still might happen, but those tariffs really did change up what I thought. Unfortunately, it might not be till 2026 now, which sucks. Who knows? It's only April. My original thought, I told everybody between April and September of this year, so we still got time for shit to turn around. And one thing about crypto is whenever it flips and moves, it can move fast. I saw it go from 40-something thousand to 100,000 in like, it seemed like a week. So it can flip quick, bro. I saw XRP go from 50 cents to $3 and something in like a couple days. So, but with the market going down so much and that everything happening the way it is, nothing's going to go up. Well, nothing's going to fucking go up. It is what it is, dude. Nothing is going up. The market is getting destroyed, taken to the woodshed. Nothing's even loaded up on my TOS platform. What the fuck, dude? All right, we still got a couple more minutes. I'm just waiting. I do love this pattern right here on the 1 minute. So I'm just going to wait for that, the next opportunity, which is my 15-minute setup. First one, you did break to the downside. It's pretty volatile, right? This is very tough to trade. With a small stop loss, it's very difficult. In the afternoon on Friday, the 2-point stop loss was just like giving away money. Just real simple. It was like, here, take it, take it, take it. It sucked. That's why I'm going to, this week on the afternoon, I'm going to try to trade the same way I trade my options. I'm going to look, market forecasts, all that good. Exactly the same way. Very mechanical. Hey, what do we got to lose, right? All right, so we still got 1 minute and a half. Dude, VIX is running on all cylinders. I agree. The VIX is up like, what's it at right now? 13% for the day. What the fuck, dude? I'm so upset. I'm sure a lot of people are. All we need is 6 points before that son of a bitch goes 2. 1 minute left. I am going to be doing the aggressive just like we were doing the calls and puts, but I'm only doing that on the 30-minute. Just like we were doing our calls and puts, I'm doing that as well. Okay. Everything in the morning for me is just how it used to be, which is good. I'm comfortable with that. It's still hard though right now because it's so volatile, this market. Okay. Okay, cool. Looks like that's going to be our range. All right. Let's see what we can get. Ticks are way down, though. All right, so we're still in our Globex. First 30 minutes is Globex clearing, right? They're winding out their positions from the weekend, the pre-market. Once the 30-minute comes in, I'm going to be looking at the aggressive as well. So, I mean, there's a lot of opportunities here, you know, just like, I mean, the morning is what it is, right? You know, we trade up until about 9:45, and I'm jumping to option, which that's been one challenging son of a bitch, right? Well, it's not that that's been challenging. It's just there's no setups, man. When the market is just tanking like this, well, breakouts have been the only thing. If you've been trading breakouts, you like, God damn, dude. You're fucking taking it to a different level. All right, so we're just inside this 15-minute range. Actually, the ticks have picked up. Again, the market's down 207. I mean, don't let it kid you. This market is getting absolutely obliterated. If it was going to recover today, that'd be a miracle. But, you know, good luck. Good luck at that. I don't think that's happened. It's going to be people just backing off for a second, let it come up, and then it's going to turn around and pop back down. You watch. These numbers are not in lockstep. That makes it tricky. Sierra charts, the numbers are a little bit different, man. Because remember, you got toss over here. You got Sierra charts. It's tricky because these numbers are not exactly the same. What's up, Jake? All right, I'm watching 43.50. Yo, yo, yo. It's a big candle. Again, let's not kid ourselves. This market is getting destroyed. Wow. What is the implied volatility? I hadn't even looked. What is it for the so far? I hadn't even looked. Pretty high, probably, right? 139%. What the fuck? Oh my God. 139%? Holy crap. That's insane, bro. Wow. What do you do, man? This is a great selling naked put time, though. You can get some good premiums, man. Violet, this is what Tom Sosnoff loved. Tom Sosnoff loved when the premiums were, when implied volatility was high. That's when he did a lot of his selling, man, because you get so much credit. So I actually might even roll some of those trades already just to roll them with this implied volatility. I might look at that today. I mean, why not? Shit. I ain't never seen it so high. Or at least it's been, I don't even remember the last time it was that high, to be honest with you. I am, believe it or not, in all of this chaos, I'm going to be looking to go long if we pop up through 43.50. Believe it or not. All right. Let's see what happens here. I'm only looking for 6 points, my friends. 6. Give me 6 before you go against me 2. That's all you need, man. I'm doing 3 minis. One trade that works is all you need. I'm watching that 43.50 area. Again, I am also going to be looking to do the aggressive. There's a lot of stuff going to happen here, man. A lot of stuff going to happen. Potentially. All right, let's see what happens. Ticks are positive now, which is pretty interesting. Let me just draw my line for reference, right? That's only for my reference. All right, so this candle closed. Nice strong candle. Market's down 165. I mean, that's a decent rebound. Wasn't that son of a bitch down over 200? That's a decent rebound so far. It was down like 225. Okay, I'm going to be watching to go long. $30 seconds. $10 seconds. I'm not liking this. Okay, not yet. Just keep waiting. Watch out for the fake out. Watch out for the trap. Okay, watch out. Be very patient. That's one thing I don't have a problem with in the morning is patience. Wow. Shit. Well, I got to back. Well, you know what? It is super high, but fuck, man. This is going too far. That's already moved up 17 points. I'm backing off. Ah. Damn it. Do I want to back off? I mean, this can move so fast. I just need 6 points, man. Wow, this is going up high, dude. Son of a bitch. I don't know if it'll make it up there. Fuck. All right, I guess if it goes up through 70, you know, we can pop it if we want, but damn it. I don't really like the fact that it's went too far, but if it pops up through 70, you know what? That's close. Yeah, if it pops up through 70, God, I don't know, man. Hang on. That is fucking close, bro. No, I'm gonna wait. I don't like it. It's too far. I'll wait for that number 2. Yeah, I'm gonna back off. It's gonna probably go up, but that's fine. I mean, look at this market. It's kind of rebounding a little bit. $2 points, man. With the 2-point stop loss, you have to be picky, bro. That's good though. I mean, I'd love if this market rebounded and finished up today. That would be like, I don't think that's gonna happen, but wow, that would be crazy. Okay, that's good, popping up. But again, I did not get my signal, so I got to back off. But I'm glad I did that. I am going to double up down here. So market's down 137. It was down over 225 a minute ago. So that's interesting. Yeah, this is crazy. Charles said he took a couple shots, got stopped out. Lesson, don't trade this. I wanted to go long, but like Charles said, this is tricky. This is super tricky. All right. No problem. I already know, man, with 3 contracts, it just takes a couple trades, and that's it, man. A couple trades will pass these evals. I'm not worried about that at all. I'm just worried about the afternoon. But like I said, I'm going to be trying to trade the afternoon today like I trade my option trading. I'm actually very curious to see how that works out. Super curious, actually. Very mechanical. I need a mechanical approach to the afternoon because what happens in the afternoon is I get bored. I don't have a mechanical approach. I tend to revenge trade. But the way I plan on doing it this week should keep me from revenge trading. Look at these ticks, man. Look at this. This son of a bitch is picking up, isn't it? Wow. It's got a long ways to go, though, to finish positive, but I'm not even going to go there. There ain't no fucking way it's going to finish positive. Man, I wanted to take this trade. It's just the volatility makes it too gappy, man. It's tricky. But when the 30-minute comes out, everything's on the table. This is fine. The aggressive is also on the table. So we've got plenty of opportunities. Right? Plenty. Today I might, again, I don't know. I might just, if the market starts to rebound some, I might leave those naked puts alone on some of the stuff I have. I have several naked puts. We'll do all that today inside the school, right? So here's what I am going to do, man. For those of you that are popping around YouTube, thanks for popping in. We're in this live room right now. We're going to trade it. We're going to do it for pretty much several, like a long hour plus more, right? But I'm going to jump off YouTube, and I'm going to try to go live on YouTube, for the most part, the Globex session. If you want to join us in the New York session, check down below in the description, right? Come inside the school. All right. Peace out. Let's finish going. All right. Brandon, Jason, Jeff, John, Mitch. Let's get ready for this AM session, New York.